Our campaign slogan is Thrive, THRIVE. And conveniently, each of these letters stands for one of the key elements of our manifesto. The first is T. Now, T stands for taxation. And what we're asking for is for taxation that is fair and equitable to everyone. We have long called for a decrease in the GST. H is healthcare. Healthcare is an issue which is closest to my heart because I've spent more than 40 years in public healthcare in Singapore. Now, healthcare, the SDP has proposed a universal single-payer healthcare insurance scheme. R stands for respect, and we call for respect for our environment, for our climate. You know, we tried to hold this out there. It was just incredibly hot. There's been concretization of almost all the spaces that we used to enjoy as kids in Singapore. Now, I is the hot button issue of immigration. As you well know, the SDP is not against immigration. What we are against is the unbridled immigration, which has contributed to overcrowding, which is stress on the environment that we live in, and also pressure on jobs for Singaporeans. Now for V, I'm going to highlight the VERS program, because we heard in the 2018 National Day rally that the PAP government was going to come up with a program called VERS, Voluntary En Bloc Redevelopment Scheme, that was supposed to be to help out individuals who are facing lease decay. We've heard about it, and in 7 years we have given no information about how VERS is going to work. And finally, the E. E we feel which is the most important, which is education. Having smaller class sizes, getting rid of the PSLE, and focusing on developing the child into who he or she wants to be and who he or she actually is gifted and talented to be, and recognizing the worth of every individual.